Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland 3 lakh doses of vaccine expected next week. Ensure free vaccination program reaches as many as possible by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to states. Delhi government extend lockdown for another week till Monday, confirmed Chief Minister Kejriwal. 551 oxygen generation plant to be set up through Prime Minister Care by PMO. Tamil Nadu and Kerala have fought the COVID tsunami well so far. News in details. Nagaland 3 lakh doses of vaccine expected next week. The Nagaland Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Principal Director Dr. Kevichusa Medikru on Saturday said that the next batch of vaccine is expected to arrive in Nagaland by next week. Talking to media person, he said that the state is currently facing shortage of vials and there are about 60,000 doses in stock at present. He also updated that the order for 3 lakh doses of the vaccine placed by the state government from the Union Health Ministry is expected to arrive by next week. Vaccination process will restart only after the consignment arrives, he said. Ensure free vaccination program reaches as many as possible by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday urged the state government to ensure free vaccination program reaches as many as people as possible. He also assured that the central government free vaccination drive will continue in the future as well. He also asked the people of the country not to fall prey to any rumor regarding the vaccine and understand that the center has sent free vaccine to all state governments. During his monthly radio program Man Ki Baat, PM Modi expressed condolence to the people who have lost their loved one to the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that after successfully dealing with the first wave of COVID-19, the nation was confidently moving ahead, but the second wave has shaken the country once again. After successfully tackling the first wave of COVID-19, the country's morale was high, but this storm has shaken the country. To tackle this wave of COVID, I have held meetings with experts from many fields like pharma industry, oxygen production, etc. He added. He continued saying, the government of India is dedicated to taking forward the effort of the state government to tackle the current COVID-19 situation. Delhi government extend lockdown for another week till Monday, confirmed Chief Minister Kejriwal. In view of the continued surge of COVID-19 cases and deaths, the Delhi government on Sunday extended the ongoing lockdown in the city for another week. The Delhi lockdown will now stay in effect till 5 am May 3. We had imposed a 6-day lockdown in Delhi. The lockdown is being extended to next Monday till 5 am, said Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The lockdown was initially imposed in the city on April 19 and was scheduled to be lifted on April 26. However, after the new announcement, the lockdown restriction will stay in effect till May 3. 551 oxygen generation plant to be set up through Prime Minister Care by PMO. According to a statement from the Prime Minister office, the plants will be established in identified government hospital and the procurement will be done through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Amid several states facing shortage of medical oxygen which was caused due to surge in coronavirus case across the country, the Prime Minister office gave approval for allocation of fund from PM CARES for installation of 551 dedicated pressure swing adsorption medical oxygen generation plant inside public health facility in the country. PMO also directed that these plants should be made operational as soon as possible as they will act as a major boost to oxygen availability at the district level. Oxygen is an important element used in the treatment of certain medical conditions which arise due to COVID-19 infection. Tamil Nadu and Kerala have fought the COVID tsunami well so far. The tsunami of COVID cases has led to collapse of the health system in state after state exposing the lack of preparedness. People are begging for help as they run from one hospital to another looking for a bed, oxygen, drugs, ambulance or even hearse van. With helpline clocked, nodal officer unreachable and dashboard and apps without real-time data, some are turning to social media Samaritans in desperation. But there are two states, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, that have not witnessed such scene yet. Both these states seem to have learned important lessons from the last surge and stand out from their public health approach to tackling the pandemic and preparedness in terms of putting a system in place that takes responsibility of guiding treatment once a person tests positive for COVID. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.